Welcome to the Due to Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Due to Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Photo Gallery widget. To begin with, make sure that you're logged into your site and in editing mode. You're then going to move over to Widgets, and you're going to search for Photo Gallery. I'm going to place it right here for demonstration purposes today. Once the gallery is added to the row, as usual, you're going to be presented with content and design options. On the content side, your first option is to enable links on images. You can do that simply by toggling that switch on. You can add images one by one. You can also connect to Instagram for an Instagram feed, and you can delete all the images in bulk. Grabbing the three little dots on the top of the image and clicking and holding will allow you to drag and change the order of the images. And you, of course, have the option to delete the images one by one as well. Clicking the plus symbol will bring up the image picker and allow you to search, add, or upload additional images. I'll add a few more here. We've now got 6. If you click on any of the images, a side panel with settings for that particular image will appear. Here you have the opportunity to change the image, to change the focal point, to add a link, and as usual we have the options to link to an existing page on the website, directly to a URL off of the website, to a pop-up, to an anchor link allowing you to link up and down certain sections of pages, to an email address, a phone number, as well as files for download. Scrolling down further, we also have the opportunity to add a title, a description, and even a button to any of the images. If you wish to not have those appear, simply click on the eyeball and toggle those off, and they will no longer display. Finally, we also have the option to add alt text for SEO benefit to each image in the gallery. Clicking on the Design tab now, of course, lets us make aesthetic adjustments. Our first option is the layout of the gallery. We currently have squares. Here's more of a mosaic, more of a vertical layout, as well as a number of other choices. Your second option is whether or not you want text button to appear on hover or not. You can also choose to place the text and button underneath the image, and while not completely styled, you can see that option there. And you can position it statically over the image as well. You can change the positioning of the text and button slightly with this adjuster here, and you can adjust the number of columns with this drop down here. Putting those into a row of 3 now makes a nice grid. You can auto adjust the columns, determine how many rows should be visible before that has a little option to show more. Moving down further, we have all of the image options, beginning with the height of the image, the space between the images, and whether or not you want to apply rounded corners to those images, taking it so far as to make it a circle. You have the option to display the full image, which will then not crop the image, to add shadow effect to the images, as well as the option to not optimize the image if you wish to do so. Please note that will affect the load speed of the site and the page that you're on. You can control the hover color, the hover effect, as well as any animation. You can control the style and typography options, so not only the font, but the size, color, and format of the font, both for the title, description, and button, all separately. The frame style, the animation of the entire widget, and of course the spacing.